Hello everyone. Guys, did you know that not all fats are created equal? Some fats sits just under your skin while another kind called visceral fat hides deep inside your abdominal cavity. It surrounds vital organs like your liver, pancreas and intestines, posing serious health risk. Visceral fat has been linked to heart disease, diabetes and even certain cancers. If you are trying to shade it, there are some drinks you should absolutely need to avoid. So stick with me as I reveal the four worst drinks for visceral fat and what you can do to speed up your progress. Firstly, for those who are not aware, let's break down what is visceral fat. It's the type of fat you can't see, but you can feel its effects. It contributes to a larger waistline and more importantly, it's metabolically active. This means it releases harmful chemicals that can disrupt your hormones and increases inflammation in your body. Reducing it isn't just about aesthetics, it's just about improving your overall health. And now let's see the four worst drinks for visceral fat you should absolutely avoid. So first in our list is sodas. Sodas are liquid sugar bombs. They are loaded with high fructose corn syrup, which studies show can increase the fat storage, particularly in the abdominal area. Even diet sodas aren't safe. They can trick your body into craving more sugar and disrupt your metabolism. So, if you are a soda lover, it's time to rethink that habit. Second is sweetened or high fat coffee drinks. Your favorite caramel frappuccino or mocha latte might taste like heaven, but it's a nightmare for your waistline. These drinks can contain hundreds of calories and tons of added sugar and fat. So instead of giving up you energy, they spike your blood sugar and lead to the fat storage, particularly around your belly. So stick to the black coffee or use unsweetened plant-based milk with a sprinkle of cinnamon. Third is alcoholic cocktails. Alcohol itself is packed with empty calories, but when you add sugary mixtures like syrup, soda, or juices, it's a double whammy. Cocktails like margaritas and pina coladas have as much as sugar as dessert. Plus, alcohol slows down your metabolism, making it even harder for your body to burn off visceral fat. So moderation is the key. Stick to simple options like glass of red wine or a vodka soda with lime. Fourth is ice cream shakes. They are delicious absolutely, but these calorie-laden drinks combine the worst offenders, sugar and saturated fat. An average ice cream shake can contain up to 1000 calories. So drinking one of these not only adds to your calorie intake but also spikes your blood sugar levels and promotes the fat storage. So try blending frozen fruit with unsweetened almond milk for a healthier treat. Now that you know what to avoid, let's focus on what you can do instead. So here are some of the bonus tips for reducing vascular fat. First is bomb up the fiber. Include foods that are rich in fiber such as fruits, vegetables and sources soluble fibers like whole grains and legumes, say tabdex. Double soluble fiber helps you keep full for longer, which can support weight loss. Try replacing a bowl of high added sugar cereals with oats, swapping out rice for higher fiber grains like barley, or using beans in place of beef for one night a week. Second is move your body. Physical activity can not only help you burn fat, but it can also help build muscle. So, the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn at rest. So, find an activity you enjoy doing regularly, whether it's walking, jogging, dancing, taking an exercise class, or lifting heavy weights. Third is fill up on the produce. Instead of focusing on removing foods from your diet, think about how to add more fruits and veggies to your meals you already enjoy. So aim to fill half your plate with fruits and veggies at every meal to help meet daily fiber, vitamin and mineral needs. So guys, we have seen four worst drinks to avoid if you are trying to lose visceral fat, plus some simple tips to accelerate your results. Remember, small consistent changes lead to big results over time. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and share with your friends and family and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which drink you are cutting out first. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Stay healthy and stay motivated.